Had a sudden hankering for shrimp fried rice, so I decided to make my own. I started off with some finely chopped green onions. I prepared the shrimp earlier, cleaned, deveined, and marinated in olive oil, salt, and pepper. I'm also using chopped yellow onions in this recipe. I'm just going by sight on the amount of each of the ingredients. You can go by your own taste. The brown rice is inside a refrigerator. It was prepared yesterday. Being honest, I'm only using this orange pepper because it's been sitting in the refrigerator for a couple of days and I don't want it to go to waste. Until I can find my elusive chopping board, a plate will have to do. I'm going to place my wok on high heat. Always remember, hot pan, cold oil, food don't stick. After the wok is properly heated, I'm going to add a little olive oil. Then quickly cook the shrimp under high heat. You don't want to overcook the shrimp because that'll make it tough. After the shrimp is properly cooked, you want to remove it from the pan and set it aside. I added a little more olive oil to the pan and stir-fried up all the vegetables. I created a little space at the center of the pan and scrambled up 3 eggs. Then I added my day-old refrigerated brown rice. Added just a little bit more olive oil and combined all of those ingredients under high heat. Then I mixed in the fully thawed out frozen vegetables. All mixed in under high heat. The final step is reincorporating the shrimp. Then I added in a little soy sauce. I stored the bulk of it because we all know that shrimp fried rice is always better the next day and the next day. It's also good, fresh out of the pan, super hot. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.